Hello and welcome again to our English lesson for today, and we'll be continuing with sentence structures. Alright, let's jump straight into it. Just like we've been practicing this week, we will look at the vocabulary we will see in today's sentences, and then it will be up to you to figure out how to put the sentences together. Pay close attention to the explanations because sometimes there are clues for your classwork today. Alright, remember to practice saying the words nice and out loud. And if there's any words you struggle with, please rewind the video, listen carefully, and try your best to copy the teacher. Let's begin. Our first word is please. Please. We say please in a polite request or questions. It is a way that we show respect. Please, may I have some candy? Very easy. Let's practice saying it out loud. Please. Remember to repeat after the teacher 3 times for every word. Please. Last one. Please. All right, let's jump to the next one. Our next one is a phrase of 2 words. Turn off. To turn off is to stop the operation or flow of something by means of a tap or a switch or a button. I'm sure you've heard this one before, so listen to it in a sentence. Please turn off the light. That means somebody's asking you nicely to find the switch, click the button, and make sure the light works no more. Let's practice saying the phrase out loud. Turn off. Turn off. A little bit quicker. Turn off. Let's try the full sentence. Please turn off the light. Very good. Let's go to the next one. The next word, flying. Flying is a form of the word fly. Do you remember we learned this with the long vowel I earlier in K3? We are flying to Cambodia. It shows us an action that we are doing with the aeroplane. We are flying. It shows us that it is happening, or depending on the sentence, that it might be happening soon. Let's practice saying it out loud. Flying. Flying. And if we do it a little bit faster, flying. Flying. Excellent job, boys and girls. Let's jump to the next one. The next word we have for today is Spain. Spain is the name of a country. It is next to France. Okay. On the picture we can see the flag and where we can see it on the map between France and Portugal. Remember that names of places and people will always have a capital letter. Let's look at the example. I want to go to Spain. Do you see in this sentence we have 2 capital letters, capital I and capital S. Names will always have capital letters, even if it's before a full stop, boys and girls. So be careful. This one might trick you in your classwork today. Let's practice saying it out loud. Spain. A little bit quicker. Spain. One more time. Spain. Excellent. 2 more to go, boys and girls. The next word we will see today, stole. Listen carefully. There's a st, o, l. And remember the E is silent for O blank E words. Stole. To steal is to take a person's things without asking. Stole is the word we use in past tense for steal. It means that it has already happened. Let's look at the example. A monkey stole the food yesterday. Okay, today is happening now and yesterday is finished. So today we steal, yesterday we stole. Look at the picture. Yesterday the monkey stole the food. Let's practice saying it out loud. Stole. Stole. Let's practice the sentence. A monkey stole the food yesterday. Nicely done. Let's jump to the last one. The last one we will see today, Queen's jewels. One more time, Queen's jewels. The Queen's jewels is the name given to all of the jewelry that belongs to the Queen. This includes her crowns, rings, bracelets, diamonds, swords, and many more things, even more than we can see in this picture. Let's look at it as used in a sentence. The Queen's jewels are always protected. Okay, so the Queen is the person. We know King and Queen already. And jewels is short for the word jewelry. Okay, and it's talking about everything. Practice saying it out loud. Remember 2 words. Queen's jewels. Queen's jewels. Let's try the full sentence. The Queen's jewels are always protected. Nice, good practice today, boys and girls. All right, boys and girls, that brings us to the end of our first lesson for today. If you're still struggling with some of the words, please rewind the video, listen carefully, and practice saying the words until you get it right. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.